In this video, we'd like to demonstrate a LucidLink Filespace as a universal mount point across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, specifically for collaboration across platforms through Adobe Premiere. To begin with, I want to bring up my LucidLink dashboard and remain it always on top. And on my Windows machine, I will copy a movie file, 7 GB movie file, to my LucidLink mount point. When my copy takes place, we'll see the data queuing to be sent to the object store. However, on my Linux machine, I can already start accessing and playing the movie before the video has finished copying, and certainly well before the video has finished uploading. So even though the copy has finished, the video is still in flight and uploading. So as we can see, we can seek to other areas of the movie, and as more of the movie becomes available, we're able to access that data. I'll leave that playing on Linux, and I'll move across to Mac OS, where I have the same mount point with the same asset I've just copied into place. If I open up Adobe Premiere, I'll be able to create a new project. I'll give it a name of LucidLink, and I'll browse to the LucidLink mount point onto Data, where we'll save our project. So now that we've got a basic project created, let's take our video file, which is still playing on Linux, has finished uploading. Let's take that video file and let's add it into our project. Let's then take it as a resource out of our assets and put it into our project, and let's save our project as it is. We'll move back to our Windows machine and we'll now open that project on Windows, and we will be able to begin playing our asset through our project on Windows, while at the same time the video is playing on Linux and also accessible on Mac OS. Thank you.